Guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is Modern Warfare, not a Clone Wars product. No, this is yes, finally, yes, I buying this for my project about Star Wars, Clone Wars shorts video. It's live action. Yes, maybe I'm gonna using cutter for finishing the detail like this. Look like this. I buy this weapon. It's for my project, which is sometimes it has a scene of a base, clone base, republic base, small base on the outer rim somewhere, which is this gun will be on the spot, top spot. Yes, the battle spot. Hey, how do I seems here on the this? Yep. This is a little bit confusing. Of course, this is on the and what about this guy? Oops. Oh, okay. Over here, maybe. Yep. Here we go. Here we go. Yes, it's great for minifigure scale. Yes, so cool. Great for a diorama on the base, on the front line. Yep. Look. Nice, so cool, guys. For about less than $1. Yes. Just stay tuned on my channel. I have so many ideas, custom work in progress, mostly for Clone Wars, my favorite franchise. Yes, don't forget to visit my other channel, AZ Combat, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram with the name Dimasweek23. That's all. See you on my next video. Stay safe, guys. God bless you, and thank you for watching. Clone Engine 23 out, sir. Yes, sir.